Hey everybody, happy Monday. It's Miss Emma and Perry the Platypus here again to bring you another stuffed animal sleepover challenge. Perry, can you say hi? He's excited too. So I hope you guys enjoyed making your slumber party snacks last week. I certainly enjoyed eating my popcorn and we loved seeing all of your snacks too. So we are here to bring you a new challenge this week. So, one of my favorite sleepover activities is building blanket forts. So that's what we are going to do this week. Miss Grace is going to show you guys how to make the perfect blanket fort. And guys, she is great at it. Her fort looks great. So I'm going to send it over to Miss Grace and let her show you how it's done.
Hey kids, it's Miss Grace, and today we're going to be making a blanket fort. So let's get started. For this, you're going to need a space, some sheets, blankets, pillows, lots of pillows, some chairs, heavy books, clips like this clothespin, light, and some friends. The first thing you're going to want to do is clear your space. We had to move this coffee table because it was right where we wanted to set up our fort. Then you're going to want to get some chairs to create the walls of your fort. Be sure to place the tallest chairs in the back and the short chairs in the front. Then you're going to take blankets and drape them across the backs of the chairs to create a nice solid wall inside your fort. Use the coziest blankets you find, like a comforter, and put them on the base. That way when you sit, you're nice and cozy. Once you've done that, line the inside of your fort with some pillows. It should look something like this. When you feel good about that, take your sheets and drape them across the backs of the chairs to create a ceiling for your fort. Since we had it against the couch, we stretched our sheets all the way to the back of the couch. It's looking good so far. Now that you've done that, stretch your sheet onto the seat of the chair and place heavy books there. This will keep it in place and also stretch the top of the fort so that it's nice and tight. Now take your clothespins and clips and clip an opening to your fort by folding those sheets back and clipping them in place.
Okay, so we have the basics of our blanket fort made and they're pretty awesome, but back here for the couches needs to be raised because it's pretty low. So we're going to do it. Alright, King.
Since our fort needed a lot more room due to the couch, we had to get creative, and we used our curtain rod to hang it up. Time for decorations! Lights are such a great way to make your blanket fort feel nice and cozy. Just take them and clip them with the clothespins onto the edges of the chairs and the blankets. Christmas lights work great for this. If you have it, use a broomstick, curtain rod, or dowel in the center of your fort to give it some extra height. Now you can enjoy your nice, cozy paradise.
See, I told you guys she was good. That was an awesome blanket fort. And I think Perry agrees. So, if you guys choose to make blanket forts in the next couple weeks, if you will, send us a picture of you and your stuffed animal friends in your blanket fort to hplkids1@gmail.com. We will share them on our Facebook and Instagram accounts. So, I have my blankets over here ready to go to make my own blanket fort with Perry. So, I will see you guys for our next stuffed animal sleepover challenge next week. Bye everybody!